Okay, so let's one of the finer things about a knife like this is when it comes to slicing. And you will see here with this potato exactly what I'm talking about. Rather than break it apart like we would with some of the thicker knives, and I'm primarily speaking of the thick Scandinavian ground knives, the 5/32 thick knives like that, tend to break it apart. Of course, you'd have to use a lot of strength to do this with one of those knives, but as you can see, it just cuts very well. And as far as carrots go, it cuts those extremely well as well. So, I mean, you know, most of your high-end chef's knives are of the full flat grind variety. And that's what this knife here is. The Kabar Mark 1. Nice, full, flat grind. But makes easy work, and especially if you're out in the field doing this stuff, many times you don't have nice places to work. You know, in terms of, you know, countertops or large cutting boards. So when you're cutting things, the last thing you want is to have stuff being blown off the cutting board, because the geometry of your knife is only suitable to splitting cinder blocks. Once again, thank you very much for watching. That will conclude the series here for the Kabar Mark 1 knife. Hunting knives that work well in bushcraft. Take care.